Are you ready to turn your computer into a money-making machine by mining Ethereum right here in Cambodia? First, let's talk hardware. You'll need a decent graphics card. The more powerful, the better. Aim for at least a 4GB card. But 8GB or more is ideal. A solid motherboard, at least 8GB of RAM, and a power supply strong enough to handle the load are also essential. Remember, a good cooling system will keep your components running smoothly. Now for the software download, a mining program like Phoenix Miner or Trex Miner. These are popular and easy to use. Make sure to get it from the official website to avoid any unwanted surprises. Next, you'll need to join a mining pool. Mining pools combine your computing power with others to increase your chances of finding a block and earning Ethereum. Popular options include Ethermine and F2Pool. Find one with servers close to Cambodia for better latency. Time to configure your miner. Open the miner's configuration file. You'll need to enter your Ethereum wallet address, the pool address, and a worker name. This helps you track your earnings. Double-check everything. Mistakes here mean no rewards. Start the miner. Keep an eye on the hash rate. That's how much computing power you're contributing. Also, monitor your GPU temperature to prevent overheating. Tweak your GPU settings, things like core clock and memory clock, to find the sweet spot between performance and power consumption. Experiment to find what works best for your hardware and electricity costs in Cambodia. Profitability is key. Keep track of your electricity costs and compare them to your Ethereum earnings. Use online mining calculators to estimate your potential profits and adjust your settings accordingly. Good luck and happy mining.